Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So right now, Mrinal Thakur and Siddhant Chaturvedi are trending everywhere. And honestly, fans cannot stop talking about how cute they look together. From the trailer promotions to their public appearances, their chemistry feels very natural. It doesn't look forced or awkward, and it actually feels comfortable and real. But there was one particular moment that really went viral. During one promotional event, Siddhant surprised by bringing an umbrella, and when he opened it, it had so many beautiful flowers inside. It was such a simple moment. The way he held the umbrella over Mrunal, almost protectively, and the way she reacted, smiling, slightly blushing, that moment just melted the internet. You could see that she wasn't expecting it. Her reaction looked really genuine. She laughed softly and looked a little shy, and that's exactly what fans loved. Well, that clip is now everywhere. People are reposting it, making edits, slowing it down, and adding romantic music behind it. Fans are calling it one of the cutest promotional moments they have seen recently. Even in other interviews, their body language stands out. They sit close, they maintain eye contact, they tease each other comfortably. Siddhant seems playful and charming, while Mrunal looks warm and expressive. And honestly, it is refreshing to see this kind of soft, respectful chemistry. Whether it is just a great promotion for the film or just two co stars genuinely enjoying each other's company. It is definitely working because fans are totally invested. They are watching every small interaction, every smile, and every reaction. And with Valentine's week around the corner, this kind of cute romantic vibe is connecting even more with the audience. Well, at the end of the day, the umbrella full of flowers moment really became the highlight. It wasn't dramatic, it wasn't loud, it was just simple, sweet, and very aesthetic. And sometimes those small moments create the biggest impact. So, what do you think? Is this just amazing on screen chemistry? Or do you also feel their vibe is something special? Let me know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.